Today, I will give you some project for you to do the homework. Will you do it? Yes. So I will send you. So look at that. I'm showing you one small thing here. Project number 3. That is the project number 3. Just to try to look at. Just to try to look at. I'll open one CSV file also. E-commerce analysis project. What is that project name? E-commerce analysis project. Look at that. What is happening here? So address. This is called what address. And here it is a lot. AMRPM. This is called what browser info. And next is called what? Company. And next is called credit card. Next is called CC expiry card. And next is called what and another thing we are having CC security code. Maybe this is CC security code. And CC provider, email, and a job. That person doing what job? And next is called what students. And the next job, the order coming from which IP address. All those things are giving here. All those things. IP address from which machine is coming and which language person he made a order. French, English, which kind of person, English, French, Dutch, like that. I'm having how much of data here? I'm having how much of data here? I'm having, what is that? 10,001 is available. 10,001 records are available. From there, you need to do this questioning. Okay, now. So in my morning class, some of the highlights I'll tell you. 2 highlights. Beginning, Arjun Reddy, his name is, asked me a question. Sir, Python, Telugulo cheptara. So I said, come to my home for tuition, I said. Python telling in Telugu is very danger. And I don't know Python. What is Python in Telugu? Huh? Snake. Very danger guy. What is Python in Telugu? Python. You don't know Telugu. Better. But you may ask, sir, Python in Hindi. No Hindi. Python in Hindi called what? Don't know. So Hindi also don't know. Okay. Python in Telugu. Python in Hindi. Python only. So I asked that candidate. What I asked, I have to give reverse attack or not? Do you know Telugu? He's asking. That's why, sir, I'm అందుకే మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్న తెలుగులో చెప్తారు. నాకు తెలుగు బాగా తెలుసు అన్నాడు. I asked, what is Python in Telugu? Mind blank అయిపోయింది ఒకసారి. Mind blank. He did not answer. He don't know Telugu. That's why. One language only, international language, that one. And one student came. He came, and when he is sitting, he went for switch on the fan. Fan. Then immediately I said, sit there. I asked a question. Are you CSC? Yes, sir, CSC said. What is my first question? What is OS? He said, operating system. Immediately he said, no, sir, I am not CSC, I am mechanical, he said. He only said CSC. The moment I asked a question, he said mechanical. And after that he came. Sir, sorry, sir, I am CSC only. I got fear, sir, the moment you ask a question. He feared a lot. Then, that is the highlights today. Some highlights, if anything special, I'll tell. 2 minutes back, he said CSC. Immediately changed the branch also. Mechanical event. After a few minutes, if I ask another question, he'll go to pharmacy also. Like that. Okay, students, whatever it is, this is called which file? CSV file. Excel sheet is this. This is an MS Excel. Are you seeing that? This is called Microsoft Excel. It is not a CSV file. They are giving in the form of Microsoft Excel file. Microsoft comma separated file also they gave. Excel sheet is opened. Next, there is one more also, student. And there is one text document also giving. They are giving text document also. See that, open it and say here in this place. See that. What is that? address, lot, AM or PM, browser info, company, credit card, CC expiry date, CC security code, CC provider, email, job, IP address, language, purchase price. This entire thing we don't read. Don't read. Don't try to remember anything. You try to analyze your questions. Understand that? Don't try to do any operations on that, giving spacing and all those things. Don't do any experiment. Whatever data is given, keep it that. Now coming to the questions. Are you following? So these are all called what? This is the data. We took it from Flipkart. Flipkart. And this data. What are the things asked in one of the interview? This is called one data analysis position. They ask these questions. Now, this is another project you are supposed to do. To perform data analysis, I mentioned 15 questions that we are going to solve one by one. Questions are as follows. Display top 10 rows of data set. You know, you don't know. Come on, spell out. Online students, interact with me. Right, good. Already people started saying. So Sumit, good. Next one, all of you. Display last 10 rows of data set. Check data type of each column. Come on. Data frame dot D type will give you what? Data type of the data frame it will give you. Data frame of the data frame it will give you. But you should not write a data type. You have to give it as what? Info. Info. When you give info, all the columns data types will come or not? Object type. Next is called int 32, int 64, float 32, float 64. Will it come or not? Well, check. This is easy for you. Next, check null values in data set. Quickly. I forget. What is the answer? df dot is null. Not is null. Don't tell like that. Data frame dot. If you tell like that, some feeling will come that you are a professional. Is null. Is Amirpet kaadu. Spell out. Data frame dot object dot is null. How many null columns are there? Data frame dot is null of dot sum of. Sum of no. When I say something, people should say, I already said the answer. Na? People should say what? Like that. People should say, who is this answer? Like that they should not. I already said, remember all my points. Do you know this? One more function is also there. What is that? Is null. Data frame object dot is null. Dot what? Sum. Again, watching mobile. T-shirt, blue T-shirt adjacent. Yesterday I made you to stand up backside. Stand up. Watching mobile. Watching book. Are you writing notes daily? Daily writing notes. Daily. Can I see your notes now? Room. But what is that notes is? Rough also you are writing. See how sincere he is. Are you writing any rough and fairing? Fair notes, rough notes are you maintaining? No, only one and only one student is maintaining in my class. God bless you. Good day. Come here. Fast. Come fast. I will see your rough notes also today. In that all-in-one is there, all-in-one. Spoken English, C language, C++, Java, like that. I don't check it, no problem. Because if I check it, I have to feel my student is doing like that. So I don't check it. Okay, listen, because it is a safe place for you. Now, come to the point. Next, how many rows and columns are present in our data set? Come on. Huh? Shape of. Very good. Anything else? Anything else? How many rows and then columns are present in the data set? Anything else you can say? LEN of what? DF. LEN of DF will give you what? Number of rows. Next, LEN of what? DF dot what? Columns. Columns. Columns will give you what? Number of columns. But don't stick on to one thing only. You stick on to multiple things. Like one day, like that, many directions. So try to have to maintain the fashion. Are you following me? Well, next, find highest and lowest purchase prices. That means in my column, there is one purchase price column is there or not? Purchase price column is there. If we go to back, if you take that side, what is there now? On the top of it, what is available? It is coming to this side. And observe it. In the last part, you see purchase price is there or not? What I should take it today? What I should take it here? Highest and lowest purchase prices. What do you write? DF of purchase price. Max. DF of purchase will give you what? Sequence. Dot what? Max. Min of. Or I can write max of DF of purchase price. Min of DF of purchase price. Are you following me, guys? Well, find average purchase price. Come on. DF of purchase dot what? Mean. Or you can also write DF of purchase price dot AGG. AGG of. You can write max, min, average. If max is 100 rupees, 99.99 you will get as an answer. Minimum purchase is 0 rupees. And adding both of them, you will get average price will come. Are you following, students? Well, how many people have French FR as their language? Because we are having one thing called what? Language. There is a language is available. There is a language is available. Here you see mama language. If you look at the last part of it, here I will highlight this language. 1 minute. Here I will take up. Take this now. You take this. Here. Language. Are you seeing this language here? EL, FR, D, ES, R, U. Like there are. How do I write it? DF of language is equal to FR. Will give you what array? Boolean array. Pass the Boolean array to whom? DF you can pass DF dot LOC, you can pass DF dot ILOC, you can pass. You will get all the things. Count. You will say what? Count. You will get that. Count off. You will get that. Right or not? Okay. Good. Online students. Feel easy. Very good. Good. Pavan Kumar. Good. So Suresh. Good. So now good students. Everybody is writing. Now we are getting confident. And I'm asking one question. I will add extra. Find out how many number of languages are there in my e-commerce purchase list. What is that? What is that? Value counts. Value counts will give you what? Unique value counts will be for how many? EL how many? ES how many? Value counts. Value counts will give you. Yes or no? If you want under FR how many customers? Under ES how many customers? Under D how many customers? Under Telugu how many customers? That time I go forward group by of what language? Under that what will come? Purchase list will come. French people how many purchases? Like we can go for it. Understand? Well, go to next. Ninth. Job title contains what? Engineer. What you will use? There is some engineer, plant engineer, software engineer, mechanical engineer, any type of job. There is a job is there. I hope there is a job. Job is there. Job is there. In the job part, what is there? In the job part, what is there? Right, you get it. In the job part, what is there? Engineer, building engineer, customer service manager, building engineer. Some people are there. Different people are there. Different engineers are there. In the engineers, I want to get it. In that position, I want to see engineer word. So how do you write it? DF of job dot STR dot contains. DF dot contains no. DF dot job dot STR dot contains engineer. That will take case sensitive. Comma case is equal to what? You'll get that. Capital engineer, small engineer, all of them will come. So Uday Teja, perfect, good student. df of job.str contains engineer is equal to false. So Udaya is on fire. Is on fire. Everything is saying immediately. So like that, you have to say. Come on. Of course, all of them are saying. So Sumit, yes, df of job dot str dot contains your value need to pass it. Good. Now coming to the point of it, find the mail of the person with the following IP address. I want to get from the I want to list out the people who made an order with this IP address, and I want to find the email of the person who has the following up IP address. So I made one order from which mission address, this mission address, that person email ID I want to find. How do you find out? There is a thing called what? What is that thing is called? Email is there or not? And IP address is also there or not? How do you write it? df dot IP address of is equal to that IP address what is given in the question is equal to, I will write it within the double quotes. Within the double quotes you need, because it is not a numerical number. Is it a numerical number? No, it is a string. Now, Boolean array will come or not? Pass to whom? df. So answer will come. Total list will. In that what I want? Email I want. Close the bracket, open the bracket. Email I will write it. Email. Whatever is the word is there, that one you need to take it. Email I will write it. I will get that word. Are you getting? Easy. Now go to next. How many people have one more? Okay, that's it. How many people have MasterCard as their credit card provider and made a purchase above 50 rupees? What is the credit card provider? MasterCard. As their credit card provider and made a purchase of above what rupees? So I will go to my place and I will study CC card, CC provider. CC provider, who is that? CC provider, credit card provider, CC service provider. CC provider column is there or not? This is the CC's provider. CC provider. See ma, under CC provider who is there? JCB and MasterCard. Are you following that? Visa card, like that MasterCard. What do you want? CC provider is a MasterCard whose purchase is more than what? 50 rupees. So how many conditions are coming? 2 conditions. What is the number 1 condition? df of what? CC provider is equal to MasterCard. What operator? Bitwise AND operator. Good. A and D, bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Now last column is available, students. What is the last column? Purchase price. Purchase price more than 50 rupees. MasterCard is called 70 rupees. Another MasterCard is there who is having what? 70 rupees. And any MasterCard with less than 50 rupees, I don't want to take. American Express, like that, I'm having number of credit card information is there. So 2 conditions. The 2 conditions main thing is connector. What is the connector? Bitwise AND operator you need to use. And you pass that Boolean array will come. Pass to df dot loc dot iloc. df you pass it, you will get that information. Now what they are asking to find from that? How many people? How many? How many means what? LEN I will apply. Or I will apply count. Are you getting, students? Well, next, find the email of the person with the following credit card number. This is a credit card number. There is a column called what? Credit card number, I think so. CC, credit card number. Where is that CC? Credit card number. CC and CC security code. I think where is the number here? CC. I think this is the one. This is the one. Are you following? This is a credit card number. It is expressing in the form of what? Scientific notation. Are you seeing that? Automatically scientific notation data will come in comparison. Are you getting or not? So what is the number here we are having? 466. This data is going to come. You can take the data and you can get it very easily. Are you following me? Right. So if you want, I will show you that because we have scientific data, sir. how to get it. So any such data is available, we can get the data. Don't worry, I will try to write it. First, try to get it. Next, I will move to the further. How many people purchases during AM? How many people purchases during AM? And how many people purchases during what? PM. So here you have AM or PM. The ordering standards they are seeing. Where is that AM, PM here, students? So beginning, there is a meaning called what? AM, PM students. Here we are having AM or PM. What is the condition DF of AM or PM? Dot value count. AM how many? PM how many? It is going to print the values. Are you following me? Well, online students, I hope you are following students. Good. Now I'm going to take up how many people have a credit card that expires in where? 2020. That is a very beautiful knowledge is required. So next, what are the top five most popular email providers? What are the popular email providers? Gmail is there, Yahoo is there. Like that I am having here. So email IDs are also provided here. I hope students you are getting. I think email is there. Email is having some details or not? Email is having some details here. What is this now? Here you try to observe it. Here I am having something like a Yahoo. Some mails are there or not? So I just want to show you. Can I show you one small example here? Of course, because today we are having, you take it. The main thing you are supposed to understand here is either you can use a text file or you can use this kind of thing. It is your chance to use it. Either you go for this or you can go for any of the other things. So I'm going to take up this three things. I will keep it into where? Into our place. And one or two examples I'll show you. Rest of them you only try to do it. Actually, I need to give you as a homework, but go for taking. One small thing I want to take up. This is, I'm going to take up. So what is this now? E-commerce, e-commerce, sales analysis, e-commerce sales analysis. There I'm trying to take up. This is my data. Are you able to follow, students? Right. So I will take up this, go to the place. Now I'm going to enter into this place. Here I'm going to Jupyter Notebook. That is completely you only try to do, students. All of them should show me tomorrow class. I need to verify that. I need to see that. Prepare a note like how I prepared that project, one by one breaking and showing. Like that you need to go for it. So say new notebook, because some difficulty you will get it. That's what I want to sort it out for one or two. Import pandas as PD. So I'm going to take it. df is equal to pd dot read underscore what? CSV. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up. What is this now? I'll take up this entire data. I'll take this entire data. So here I'm writing. What is that now? Here you see. What are the name, students? E-commerce purchases. E-commerce purchases. So I'll try to take up e-commerce purchases. E-commerce purchases. Okay. E-commerce. MERCE. Purchases. PURCHASES. PRCE. Purchases spelling CHASES. What is the problem? Capital dot CSV. You write imposition. You write imposition. Dot CSV. Dot CSV. Right. So coming to the point of it, before that, I will write it. PD dot set underscore what? Option. What is that? I forget. Display dot max underscore columns, comma, none, none. So try to print. What is this now? df, df. So I'm going to get it. So what is that? Capital, capital P, capital P. So capital P. So here, still giving error. Purchases. What is saying? File not found error. It is saying. So dot what? txt, txt. We are getting it. Dot txt. Dot csv. No. So there are two things are there. Dot txt is there. Dot csv is also there. CSV means this part you need to take it. This is called a Microsoft Office, comma, separated file. There I need to take CSV. It is a text file. Okay now? Right. Out of that, here I want to get it what? I will take this data. Which one I want to find out? This one I want to take up. This one I want to take up. I think you know that. Just I am taking. What is that now? df of. What is this now? df dot. What is this now? Columns. Columns. What are the columns, ma? Credit card number. Where is the credit card number? So, where is the credit card number? CC experience expiry data, security code, provider, credit card, credit card. Okay, check it. What is there? Don't do, check it everything. Don't try to write blindly. Is it my numbers or not? Right. Okay. Is equal to what? Is equal to what? Write this number or not? Write this number. Write this number. What it is going to give you? False, false, false. False to whom? df of what? Like this. So are you getting one number or not? See that. Credit card number. Exactly it is available or not? Exactly available. So what is this now? Address 885 Allen. This is a mountains apartment. Something like that. Lot AMR PM. Browser from where he made it. Company name this one. Credit card number. CC expiry date. Like that I am having everything. Are you following that? What is the question here? Find the email of the person following that. Okay. How do you do this? Come on, guys. You pause date and say what now? Email. What is the column name? Email of this everything I will take it. This everything I will take it. Okay, done. And remove this part and say this. I'm getting that email. Bberry at the rate rit.net. Is it bberry at the rate rit.net or not? Beautiful. Are you following me? Well, students in online. Now, go to next. One more thing. What is this now? Here. AMR PM. How many people? I already made for hint for you. What is this now? 13th one I am just trying to say. 13th one I am trying to take up students. So come on. DF of what? What is that? AMR PM. This I will write as it is. This I will write as it is. See that? And it is getting AM PM AM PM. Dot what? Value underscore counts. Value underscore counts. AM will give you this many. AM will give you this many. Are you following me? Right. If you want, I can write what? What? AM. If I write it. So you are getting what? 4932. If I write PM, what will come? We'll get 506. If you write both of them, are you getting or not? See how easy to get the data. Easy or difficult? Easy. Simple. Once you practice. If you don't practice, a dog tail only. Golden days. Now, come to next. Beautiful. Come on. How many people have the credit card number expires in 2020? How many people having the expiry date 2020? Beautiful question. What is that now? DF dot what again? Columns. Columns. Are you following? What is our question? Credit card expires. What is that? CCEXP data. See students, DF dot, see that like this. This is my dates or not? See how the date is 2020. But I am having what? 20. How do you take it? How do you take it? That is the main important thing here. Are you able to follow? Now, coming to the point back. Now tell me, how do you take care of that? How do you take care of that? Now I am going to take up here. How do you take care of that? I am going to explain you now. So let me tell you the concept now. Tell me students, fast. For this, you have to go for very carefully to understand. This is CC or not? Directly you cannot get this 2018 something like that. What you do is, I'm writing one beautiful function, my dear students. One beautiful function I want to write it. DA of find what? 20. Find 20. I'm writing one function. What is my question? How many people have the credit card that expires in 2020? What I am doing now? I say count is equal to CNT is equal to what? 0. CNT is equal to 0. What I am going to take up now? I am writing, if you follow me, one for loop I will take it. And this code you will understand, no doubt, because already we are very good in coding. What is this now? CC in where? This one I am taking. What will come now? What will come? Is this will come or not? What is the first value coming? What is the first value coming? 0 to 2020. What is the type of that CC? Is it a STR mechanism or not? STR mechanism. There I am going to write it. Very simple thing. Now I am going to write it. If when CC is containing what data? When CC containing what data? Some value here slash what? Some value will be available. Correct? So I need to take what data only? I need to split this data or not? And see my date format, all of you. Is it slash is available or not? Slash, slash, slash. And slash left side I don't want, slash right side only I want. What I will do, students? CC, CC, I am writing dot what? Split. CC dot what? Split. I am writing CC dot split. Of what I am writing? Slash. When I say CC dot split, what will happen, students? Two parts will come or not? What the CC dot split will do? It will take the list. What is coming? 0, 2 and then 20. Next 11 and then what? 18. Next is called 0, 8 and what will come on? 19. And this is called list or not? What is this now? 0 index, first index. 0 index, first index. Are you following me? So these are connected with STR. 0, 2 will be the 0th index. This is the year index. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So what I will do, What I will do, student? Dot what? Dot of what? 1. Why 1? Here. When I split the slash, left side what is there? 0, 2, 11, etc. will be there. Are you getting up? 0, 2 will be there. That is a 1. Sorry, 0. This 20 is what? 1. Is equal to what? 20. 20, 20. 20, 20 is our course. But our representation is what? 2 digits only given. 20. Are you following this concept now? So keep that. Here I am writing, students. What should I do? CNT is equal to CNT plus 1. CNT plus 1. Now you say, after finishing that, say what now? I'm going to say display what? Or I can say return CNT. Return CNT. Are you following me? This is my code. Now I will do what? Number of people who expire that in where? CC20 is equal to what? Find 20. Find what? 20. Find 20. And print what here? Find what now here? How many people? And I am going to say number of people. Number of people. So here I am writing this one. Here I am saying is equal to comma what? NOPCC20. NOPCC20. So you are going to get 988 people are having that kind of data. Are you following? For this, you have to apply your talent. You have to apply your talent. Did you understand? You can take one list also, you can go for it. You can take one list. You can take one list. Here you can take it. What we are saying here, you can say LST is equal to LST is equal to some empty list you can take. You can add that value also, CC value also you can add. So instead of taking that large in length and all, why to go for it? You can print what here. This statement also you can print it. This statement also you can print it. Like directly you can write it. What I can write it? CNT you can write it. CNT also you can write it. What is this now? Comma, comma. So try to follow and call this function now, and you will get this data. Find this value. So you got the same value or not? This is a way how you can find like this, because this is having some slash symbols are there or not. When slash symbols are coming, if you want to take some part of it, split it and see the index. What is the 20 index? 1. That's why we are getting it. Getting or not getting? Well, online students, is it clear, students? This code, try to remember. Here I will give you some special, only few points I said. All the students who are in online, try to respond, students. Don't sit quiet and calm. Try to respond. Next. Next what? Find top mail IDs. So go to the place. Now here. Come on. DF dot. Come on. Columns. How well you prepare that project? How I submitted you that solutions and all. Like that you prepare after going to home. Tomorrow who will see? Who will show me? I want to see. Come on. Take it what now? Email. Tell me now, how do you take that emails now? I just want to take it. I want to take it. How do you take that emails? I want to go for it. Start. DF of what, students? Very good. Emails that I'm taking. Okay. When you take the emails, am I getting a lot of emails or not? But I want to take which emails they are saying? Gmail. Like that I want to take up. Like that I want to take up. So what is my things I'm going to take up? Now I'm going to take up. Let us take all those mails here. Which mails I'm taking? Like this. Yahoo, read, Horizon. This one I want to take. Only I don't want the name of the people. Are you following me? Name of the people I don't want. This is a special question. That's why I'm solving it out. So what garner.com, hotmail.com, gmail.com, reid.net, wagon.com, like that I am having. I want to take what only? Only mail IDs I want. How do you do it now? Come on. I will take up. Same. Our functional code is written or not? Come on. What is this now? DEF. Find what? Mails. Find what? Mails. Come on, mom. Already written for mail. For mail. For MA. MA. In where? DF of what? Mail. Mail. What should I do? I got mail. MA contains what? This first one or not? In the first one, I have to break it. What is that now? This is called one word, and at the rate symbol, one word. I want what symbol? What symbols I want? At the rate symbols I want. At the rate symbols I want. How do you take it? So come on. How do you write it? I will go for. I'll take one list here. So take what? Mails list. Mails list is equal to empty. Say here. Now I want to write it. MA dot split off. Split off what? At the rate of what? 1. If I write it, what will come? Only mail will come. That I will append to whom? Mails list. Mails list. Dot what? Append off. Append off. Getting or not? So finally, what will happen? After finishing, I will just execute it. Got it. Print what here? Mails list. Mails list only I will print it. So how many mails are there? I want to print number of mails. number of mails is equal to comma what? Mails list. So see that what is happening. Hmm? Hmm? Yes, function call. Correct. So find mails. Perfect, students. Good. So here, see that. How many mails? See how many mails are coming. How many mails are coming? I want to find out the list of mails. LEN. Number of mails. What I will write it? LEN. LEN of like this. So 2000 mails are there. 20,000 mails are there. I will add one extra column to my mails. Extra column. What is that extra column? To the DF, I will write it. Once again, I am saying, once again, I am calling. See how many mails are there. So many mails are available. All of them are showing now. Now I want to take it. DF dot what here? Columns. Columns. LUMNS. Columns. This many are there. How many columns are there now? Last one is called what? LEN. Today I will add one extra column. How many are there? 14. I am adding one extra column. What is that now? TEMP mail. TEMP mail is equal to what I am writing? What I am writing? What I am writing? Come on. Find mails. Find mails returns what? Find mails returns what? All the mails are not. Of course. Already values are returned. Where is that values are present in? Where is that values are present in? So instead of writing that, I will write like that. Are you following me? So it is value error. Length exceeds, doesn't match. So you are having dot what it is. I'm going to write it. List one, mails list. What is happening there? Length of 2000, but doesn't match with the length of index. Okay. Now I will go to what now? I will go to what now? Here I will take it. LEN of mails will contain that. Let me check one thing, students. LEN of DF, it is mismatching, students. 10,000 is there, but LEN of that mails will contain how many? Right. Where is the problem is coming? I want to go for it. So I would like to take it. Here I would like to take it. Credit card number, mails are coming. Here I will take it. Split of that. MA dot split of that at the rate symbol. Mails is coming. That value is printed. Number of mails, how many are there? 2000 is there. Here the problem is coming with what? 10,000 data sets are there in where? In DF. But how many are there here? 20,000 is there. That is the problem we are getting it. That is the problem we are getting it. So here, 1 minute if you wait, DF of DF dot head of DF dot head of DF dot head of DF dot head of. You are getting first five things. In that, we are getting what? Mails. So you are mail, email. So email. So you are going to get this. But my intention is to get this data, students. This part I want to get it. There I want to get it. Got the mails, but all of them are getting code. I will observe it once. Here, append I set DF of mail, mails list, append. I'm taking the last one. I can take unique, I say unique is not defined dot dot. It is saying that so this part I want. This part I want, students. How do you take care of that? That is a question here. And find mails. This I'll try to run it. It is done. And try to find out what is the answer. STR object has no unique dot append of. There I will remove and giving you what? Unique I will say. What is the problem? So here after that print what? Mails list. Mails list. LEN of I will say. LEN of mails list. How many are coming? 9954 is coming. 9954 is coming. So here I'm going to get it 9954. But how many are there? Unique when I took it, this is the one. When I took it a duplicate, we are getting what? 2000 we are getting it. So it is mismatching. So when I'm trying to assign that, it is getting mismatching. Here I want to add to some temporary mails. Some temporary mails, TMP mails is equal to, I'm writing here, is equal to mails list. When I'm trying to assign, you are getting some data. So it is getting index is not matching. Length of 994 is not matching with 1000 students. Okay. Can I tell you in tomorrow session this one? Because I need to look into this. Definitely we will come out of that solution. Are you following me? So definitely this, because this is also a unique concept for you. So how many are coming? We'll go for it. So Durga, not only Gmail, not only, I'm not talking about Gmail. Example they are saying. Gmail and Yahoo, just example. Only Gmail is having at least 2 minutes. gf.email is equal to Gmail. How many are there? I will find out. Yahoo.com, how many are there? I will find out. But our question is not like that. We want to find out what? We want to find out what? 5 top popular email IDs. Who are using more number of Gmails? Who are using more number of Yahoo? That is what is the count I want. Can you give me 1 day time? So tomorrow I will show you this. So it is giving some small problem in the coding. So MA dot in unique, it is giving some small problem. Append of it, it is giving some problem here. In index problem, it is coming. So instead of wasting the time on this area, I will show you this last question. Because if I give simply homework to you, you will also struggle, correct? That's why I'm doing the last 3 things. Like 2020, this is an important code. Like that Gmail, Yahoo, this also I need to say. So I have to go for other things are easy, you will do it. This I'm touching means you can understand because you will feel difficulty in working. That's why I'm explaining. So this 15th question, you leave it to me. I'll work out on it and I will show you. Okay now? So try to do like how I shown you, like that you try to do. Shall I move to the further? Right. Very recently, one more question is coming in the interview point. Very recently, 15 to 20 days back, one of my student went for an interview. That question, he approached me. He solved 1 or 2 bits, 1 or 2, 3 questions or 3, 4 questions are given on series. They given it, and I will show you that series. Try to follow. And what is this now? Problem solving on series. Just to see the problem solving on series. Read out, students. It is very easy. Even I provide a solution to that student and I send it. And from the raw data below, create a PANDAS series. Amit, Bob, got a B, np.nan, car, dog, cat. Print all the elements in what? Lowercase. Print all the elements in uppercase. Print the length of all elements. This I was already explained in the class, once you remember. When I'm getting the series data names, I wrote a list comprehension concept I wrote, if you remember it. Do you remember or not? Yes. So how do you create this now? How do you create this now? Go to that point one. This is a problem. pd.series. pd.series. What is this now? Is it called a list of students or not? Or list of students and animals? Nan values also there and everything is available. Problem number one. Answer also I am saying. Import pandas as PD. Import numpy. This is not necessary. Even in my class, regular expressions also I used to tell in my Python classes. So import numpy and see this now. pd.series, np.nan. Everything I am writing as it is and the series one is printed. Able to follow? So coming to this place, now I will carry this and I will go to this place and I'll show you with the practical. This I don't worry, students. I'll take care in the class. So right now we got an error. There is a pending. I'll explain to you. Go to this place. Next, there I will take it. Here I'm pausing the problem. This is the problem here. Problem statement. Now I'm saying this is my data. Create problem statement. Solution started now. Solutions. Already you know solutions. What are the solutions started here? Import your things. And here I am writing that. See this now. Come out of that. What should I do now? Series. Do you know how to create series now? S is equal to pd.series of type this entire thing. Nan also there or not? You know, nan is a float data member in where? NP. So go to that series you are creating and printing the series also. Here I am writing. So write S is equal to simply this is my data as it is within the single quote and writing like this. Writing like this. Written. And students and print of what? Yes. Given series of elements. Given series of elements. Am I getting the series of elements or not? Come on, read out. What is this? Print all the elements in lowercase because some of them uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. So series is created. Question number A. Print all the elements in lowercase. Come on, work out. Come on. Come on, guys. So LC names. LC names is equal to lowercase names is equal to names. Name for name dot what? Lower of. Lower of. Or just take a name. In where? Yes. Yes. Are you following me? Name dot what? Lower. Lower of. And print what? Come on. List of names. In which case? Lowercase. Lowercase. And print of what now? LC name. LC name. What happens? So, invalid syntax. Okay, we should not write colon. Already list comprehension. What is this now? Float data type has no lower. And I should say what? Is. Come on. I'm writing. What is that thing? I should take only which values? np.nan is not recommended. So what I do? Numeric value. Name is called what? str I need to convert. str I need to convert. So I'll write it str. I need to write what? str. Try to see, students. You are getting float numerical value is coming. See the solution once here. For element in series 1, what I am doing now? Element you convert and a dot lower. So here in this case, go to that Lower of what? Name. Dot what? Lower. First, what is the name is coming? Amit. Amit is going to convert into str. Convert into what? Lower. Next, what is the value coming? Bob, no problem. Kate, no problem. A, no problem. This, no problem. Nan also what? Float. Float I am converting into what? str. No problem. Now we can convert. All numerical values can be converted into what? str. Because you know in my Python classes. Closing parenthesis. Where? Lower of. Yes. Lower of. So do that. So am I getting the data or not? All of them are getting in which case? But they are having different case or not? So I'm getting in which case? Lower case. If you want for name in where? LC name. And print of what? Name. So print of name. So I'm getting all the list of names in which case? Lower case. Getting a? So are you getting why we got error earlier? Nan is which type? Float type. We are converting that into which type? That's why nan also like this. Getting students? Well. Next is called what? Print all the elements in which case? Same copy paste. Same copy paste. I will carry this entire thing. Here I am writing. Here I am saying. Say that. What should I say? Upper of. Upper of uppercase. So UC uppercase. So here I will write it. Uppercase elements. So UC names. UC names. So you are going to get everything in where? Capitals. Earlier one is in where? Smaller. Go to next. Go to next. Find the length of all the elements. Find the length of all the elements. You will apply LEN or not. So LEN of you are getting it. So that is the dead easy. Find the length of all the elements. If at all you are interested, I can print like this. What with the way I can print it? You can say this one and print off what? Number of elements in series. Number of elements in series is equal to, it is dead easy students. LEN of what? Yes. So these are the elements. If at all you need in different way, what I can say, D is equal to, solution is called R I am writing. D is equal to what? Dict off. Dict off. What I can do? Come on. Say, even dict off I need not to go like that. What I'm doing you see. So D is equal to, like this I am writing. Like this I am writing. Comprehension concept I am writing. How do you print it? Same to same. For loop you carry. For loop you carry. The same thing you carry. This one you carry. What is coming only? Name is coming. Upper or lower, it is not an issue. This upper or lower is not an issue. If you want, you can convert into upper, no issue. Colon, what you are writing? LEN of what? STR of what? Name. You are going to write it. STR of name. What is this notation is called? Dict comprehension we can call. What comprehension? Dict comprehension. You are getting the name. In the name, I am finding that name. I am taking the name as a key whose length as what? Value. And print what here? D. D, which is a dict type. Dict type. Amit 4 letters. Bob 3 letters. Kate 4. A. B. Nan 3. Car 3. Like this I am having. Are you following this? Getting or not getting? Getting. So, coming to the point back, this is the way you are getting it. Suppose if you are interested, in this case, you are writing if str of what? Name. Str of name is equal to, is not equal to what? Is not equal to what? Nan. Nan. Did you understand? What is eliminated? Nan I don't want. First it will come to, already you know list comprehension. In our Python classes, comprehension techniques I said. First it will come to for loop. From for loop it will go to if condition. If it is satisfied, then it will go to what? All the values are coming. What is not printed? Nan is not coming. If you want, you can print word, comma what? LEN GTH in where? D dot what? Items. items. Print of what? Word, comma. I will write it, comma. What is this? Length. So you are going to get it. Length. Are you following? So you can print here. You can print here. What is this now? Number of elements in the series. Number of elements in the series. Number of elements in the series. In the series. Other than what? Nen is equal to len of what? D. Len of D. How many? 8. Earlier how many? Earlier how many students? 9. But I eliminated a nan or not? Like this you are using it. Following up? So if you want nan also to print, if you want nan also to print, you remove the condition ma. You remove the condition. You see that D is printed. D is printed. This loop you write it. This loop you write it. And try to see this now. You are getting 9. Nan also coming, 3 letters are coming. Are you following? This is the way you can find out. So once you know the coding in Python, any such problems are giving dead easy for you. So by seeing all these things, what is the most important you are getting now? The most important thing you are getting is functions. In C language, how many functions? Printf, scanf, CLR, SCR, strlen, strcat, cmp, and cpy. Totally 8 functions only, you know. In Python, you tell me, you did not remember that many functions I said. That many functions I said. A doctor with 4 tablets, Shankar Dada MBBS. A doctor with so many functions. Expert. Remember, how many functions I taught? Do you remember? From the day 1 onwards, list onwards, I said so many or not? Just imagine. Marvelous things if you remember. Right, students? Go to one more. This is called one problem. Second problem they asked. Another question also. For some other students, they gave this. From raw data below, create a PANDAS series. What is that? Atul, John, Jock, Sam. Print all the elements. Here you see Atul. Before that one space is there. These are all left hand, left finger for you. And John, there is a space after that you did not see. You are seeing only John. John after that one space is. Which space it is? Which space it is? Sit properly. So, which space it is? Right space. Which space it is? So you will use what? R strip. You will use which is, this is a L strip. This is what strip? R strip. This is L and then R. What is it? Strip. L R strip now. L strip, R strip, strip. L strip removes left padded spaces. R strip removes right padded spaces. Strip removes left, right and left padded spaces. Both left, right. Lazy guys. Left padded spaces. Say once. Padded. P-A-D-D-E-D. Padded. Right padded spaces, left padded spaces. It won't remove the spaces in the words. I already taught to you in the string handling part 2. Explained or not explained? So see that print all the elements after stripping spaces from left to right. Print all the elements removing the spaces from left only. Next is what? Print all the elements removing spaces right only. Right means R strip, left means L strip, both left and right strip off. That's all. Here you see Atul. Before that, there is a space. John, there is a space after. Jock, before the space. Jock, after the space. Sam, no space. Are you following? When you go to an interview, Atul, Atul. John is John. Jock is Jock. Any spaces? No. You are like a Duryodhana in Mahabharatam. Like Arjuna in Mahabharatam, what? Yes, there is a space. There is a space in John. Dronacharya asked once, Arjuna, what are you seeing in the board? First, Duryodhana called. He is a proud student. Otherwise, Dronacharya will get a problem. Duryodhana, what are you seeing in the board? Nothing I am seeing, only board I am seeing. Duryodhana, Arjuna, come here. What you are seeing? I am seeing the eye in the board. Because he's an intelligent. You decide, are you Arjuna or Duryodhana? You decide. Who are you? Really? So, morning one Arjuna asked, do you teach Python in Telugu? He is different Arjuna. He is a Telugu Arjuna. He is. Right. Come on, student. Already done. Come on. You are getting an element and yeah, what is applied? Strip. Strip is applied. Print all the elements, stripping spaces from left to right. Here, what is available? Removed. What is John? Both the places removed. One space removed. Jack also removed both the places. Next, what is available again? L strip. Here only strip. Here what is that? L strip. Here what? So L strip removes the spaces in the word which is having both left and right, but it won't remove any kind of left only, right only cannot. It is going to be R strip and L strip. Where we use this kind of thing in real time, suppose you go once, you go to mails, and this is a very important validation concept, students. If you go to my mail ID here, I am saying this, KVR this one, I am saying this, my cursor is waiting at certain position or not. I'll say space, space, space. I'm writing space, space, space. I'm writing KVR here and space, space, space. Of course, when I'm pressing space, it is taking the letter, but some of the password, weak passwords will take what? Space, space, space will take space, space only. When I type the alphabets, then only alphabets are printing dot, 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 dot. Again, space, space, space is coming. What is happening that time? When I take a password comparison, remove the left padded and remove the right padded, only alphabets data I will take it. Are you following? So nowadays to provide the strong password concept, even though you press space, it is taken as a bullet symbol or star symbol or something is taking. Are you getting, students? Well, come to back to my place. I think I need not to execute this because already this was executed in the Python level itself. Last part, problem number 3 in series. These are frequently asked questions. Create a series from raw data below. India is big. Separated by what? Next, comma. Population underscore is underscore huge. Comma. Nan has diverse culture. Underscore 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 culture. Now, here, split the individual strings whenever, wherever underscore comes and create it a list of elements. So this element is going to come. This is the one of the element in the list or not? I want to break it. India, one word, is one word, break is one word. Are you getting? How do you do that? Come on, this is my list or not? Created as a part of what? Into the series. How do you get it? First element is coming from the series. What is the element is coming first? India. What are you doing? Breaking. Putting in where? List. So you are getting that now. Are you getting that? So you are going to get the elements here. If you want, you can see this question. Once I will show you. My dear students, this I will show you. As it is, I will carry this. Try to post it. This is my question. Series is available. This is available. Series 3 is printed. Questioning answer also done. This I will print separately. First print this data. This is going to be a India is one word. Next one, nan, like that. And print this answer now. Getting this data. See the answer now. Are you first of all understanding? What the first thing is coming? India is big. That India is big means separated with what? So see the data, what is coming? India is big. Is it one list or not? Population is huge. Are you getting the population is huge is called words or not? Nan is one word. Has diverse culture. Are you able to follow? So this is indicating separated with what? Underscore. What is the function I am using? Split. Split. Following or not following? Right. Next, another kind of thing. What is the next thing? Access individual elements of the list. What is the next one? Access individual elements of the list, which is very simple. What is this now? For list splitted. for list splitted. Are you list splitted or not? That elements I want to access. What is coming? Come on, I will write this question. I'll write this question. Go to the place. Here I am writing. Access the individual elements of that. This is the data I got it. This is the data I got it. From that individual elements I want. This is the data I got it. From the individual elements I want to get it. What are the individual elements? List. This is the data which is coming. What is the first one is coming? For line in, what is that? Line splitted. Line splitted. What the value will be coming? India is big. In that I want what? Is it an inner list coming or not? Tell me, students. Print of what will come? Line. See that this is coming. From that I am getting this type of thing. I want to get it what? India is big. I want the separate things. I will write it there. One more kind of thing I want to write it. What is this now? For subline, subword, subword, subword. In where? Line, line, line only. In that line, I will take, they are taking one small thing. LST is equal to something. They are saying LST dot what? Append of what? Subword they are saying. Subword they are saying. I think you are following. So finally, what should I print it? What should I print it? Execute it. Execute it. And print what? Access individual elements of the list. Print what here? LST. What that LST is containing? Is all words are there or not? How do you print it that data? Come on. For value in where? LST. Come on. Print. Now I am saying val, comma, end is equal to some space I am giving. Is it printed or not? India is a big population. India is big. Population is huge. NaN has some this type of word is printing. Are you following? This is called what? Accessing sub-elements. Next is called what? Expand the elements so that elements. Now I printed that only. This is called what? Expanding the data. Expanding the elements. This is called expanding these elements. Here, this data is nothing but what? Expanding. So here I got it. Expansion of the data only I written it. Are you following me? Expansion is when all the elements I am merging here. Something like this. I hope you are following this. Suppose you don't want a NaN. It's a matter of writing not equal to NaN. I will write it. Okay now? So this is the way how you can sort it out this type of data. So any question is given, we can easily sort it out by studying clearly and you can do. So to do this case studies like this, you need to have strong programming skills in Python. If no standards in Python coding, it is difficult for you to get it. So students in online, with this, a problem solving is small thing done. And tomorrow, I will come up with some more small concepts are left out in PANDAS. And in NumPy also, some saving the file. How to save the NumPy data in file. And NumPy also some how to read the data from JSON file. Text file how to read. I will tell you that concept. Don't miss tomorrow class. So will you do that project? And that point what we got the little error, I will sort it out that also. Okay now? So I'll stop the class. Don't miss tomorrow class. And morning 7 o'clock, new batch was started. Any friends or viewers is there? Tell them about our class. Huh? Ma? Share. Definitely I will share it. Do you think that I am not sharing it? So first నీకెందుకు వచ్చింది doubt? Whatever I am discussing, am I sharing or not? So far I shared or not shared? So why you got doubt today? Today you came to class or what? Stand up once. What is the formula for variance? Formula for variance. I already shared now. Variance formula. NumPy I already said. Already shared it. What is the variance? Huh? What is that? Variance is equal to individual element of the sample data minus mean whole square by number of elements. See, Go to that E colon numpy under the notes statistical functions. Under that variance. Here variance is equal to mean minus xi whole square by total number of elements. Share this changes now. I will share you. Don't excite in the class. Okay, now let's sit down. Are you remembering? I am sharing daily or not?